Rüdiger, welcome to the FICC 2024.
Thanks a bunch for being here.
Yeah, I understand you work with medicine, psychology and computer science.
Yeah.
That's some combination. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, it started 10 years ago and we supported studies in Africa, and psychologists said to us, okay, we have the problem, we need medical devices to fill out our questionnaires in a digital way, and then we started the application, and then it went wild for me, and I did more than, I think at the moment, 20 to 25 digital applications for different medical studies and long-running studies. So this was the start 10 years ago, and now being in this field, yeah.
Okay, and you said that was 10 years ago. What are you currently researching?
Currently we are researching, I started a professorship at the University of Würzburg 2019 on medical informatics. And what we are doing at the moment heavily is, first of all, trying to find better artificial intelligence methods for medical diagnosis, what is also one of the topics here of the conference, where we try to find out with sparse data and also data that is coming from mobile devices, how it can be evaluated in a meaningful way. And also what we are doing is also one of the topics here in ambient intelligence. We are trying to figure out how wearable data can be better evaluated, and also try to get better applications on smartphones that can be used in everyday life. So we are doing a lot of daily life research.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Not in the clinic, because we behave in the clinic more in an artificial way, and it's better to have daily life research, but this comes with other challenges, and this try we to deal with, and this is what we are mainly focusing at the moment in our group. Yeah.
Well, then I'm curious, what kind of challenges do you face?
One challenge is that the variables produce very heterogeneous data, and that you have, for example, the problem that an Android device is often cannot be directly compared to an iOS device, or that a variable that has to be connected makes problems and is not delivering data in the quality you want to have, or that the people are, it's too cumbersome for them in their daily lives to use this, and then the data is challenging to evaluate, but it's produces
real life problems. So
very life problems.
Makes sense if you do research in real life, but those were the problems as well. Okay, and any solutions for that? Any workarounds so far?
The solutions, I think, is very similar to the large language models and what OpenAI did, so brute force. Tried to use a lot of data, try to learn and try to do a lot of interdisciplinary research, and this is our method for the moment. It works well, but you need a lot of resources, and in the institute we are also in a lot of large research projects, and so we have a lot of collaborations and can do this in an interdisciplinary manner. So yeah, but brute force is at the moment the right solution, only this.
Okay, and what will your future research be?
I think the future research will be to make the whole field or the interfaces between medicine and also computer science more, to bring us into a situation where we learn from each other much better, to have this interdisciplinary research or implementation research. This will be things that we pursue in future much more, and I think we are not on the same level, we do not speak the same language, and these are things, and we are also trying to get solutions to fit the interdisciplines more properly together. So this is what we are doing at the moment, and also pursuing in the future.
Okay, that sounds promising. And now you've been here for a bit already. How do you find the conference so far?
The conference was very interesting, as always, for the SAIConferences. I like it very much, so I attended a lot of conferences, and also here, and especially today, the keynote speakers and the keynotes today inspired me a lot, and was very interesting, and and also meeting colleagues and talking to a lot of people. So always inspiring, the conference. I like it very much.
Okay, is there anything you're still looking forward to in the conference?
I look forward for the last session to see how the whole conference evolved, and what will be the prizes, and that it was a nice day, and the whole conference was very nicely done. So this is what I'm looking forward.
Rüdiger, thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you so much.